So friends, we begin our construction with the fact that we are building a parallelepiped. Let me remind you that we also started building the cylinder with the construction of a parallelepiped. But here, the main difference is that when we built the cylinder, we inscribed the cylinder in a parallelepiped. Here, we will describe a hexagon around this parallelepiped. You will now understand what kind of parallelepiped it is. I remind you that we build it according to all the laws of perspective, just like a cube, that these lines converge to one point at the horizon level. The same thing happens with these lines, with these straight lines. So we narrow them down a bit with each other. Building a straight line. It's the same here, we omit it. These are the construction lines, we make them quite pale. After we have built a parallelepiped, we build the diagonals of the lower and upper planes. After we have drawn a diagonal, we draw straight lines through the center of these diagonals. This straight line should divide these lines in half. If you did everything right, if you found the center correctly, everything will be like this. And then we postpone the points on this straight line. So we put this distance here and this distance. They will be equal. All four distances. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. These distances will be equal. It's the same here, 1, 2, 3. So we found these points and connect them to the corners of the parallelepiped. We do the same here. And then we just have to connect these points. It's the same here. This is the hexagon we got. We outline the lines that we see brighter. And then I will build a shadow from the hexagon and build a tabled line. Those lines that we don't see, they can be removed with an eraser. I start hatching with a pencil as usual, several strokes on the same plane, hatching diagonally, hatching vertically. I do not forget about the edge contrast. That is, I darken all three faces up a little and to the left sides. Edge contrast. Let me remind you of the rules. 2 planes. The one that is darker will darken even more towards a light country. And in general, all 3 facets to the left side, they darken a little for me. I'm already drawing a shadow with a pencil B3. It's so rich enough. After that, I also darken some places on the cylinder itself, making the edges that I need more juicy. Well, I finish my hatching by covering the background a little. I put the leaf under my arm so as not to stain my work. This is the hexagon I got. Thank you very much for watching. I am waiting for your comments. If you like this video, please like it.